Hey, it's your friend Steve, back again. Me versus the internet. It's a rivalry the internet doesn't know exists. Because it's me versus the internet. I'm playing as all 32 teams, seeing what my record's gonna be. Right now, I'm like 23-2. Asterisks by the two. Oh boy. I just played like a real toxic Vikings user. I hope this isn't the same dude. Like onside kick. Ugh, everyone who plays Madden's such a fucking cocksucker. It's onside kicks. It's fucking going for two all game. Like, god damn. Like, I'm sorry your parents didn't fucking hug you as a child. Okay, kill him. Kill him. Just not a pleasant playing experience. Just like, just going for it all the time. Golly. I'm curious, maybe it is the same guy. No, he didn't have a mic. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt, dude. I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna accept that. I mean, if it happens again, I will accept. Nice. Nice. Now all of a sudden I have like crosses. This could be play action. Yeah. Get him. Alright, two. If he goes for every single thing, he might get a first down. Is this bro going accelerate clock? Oh. Okay. Really? Okay. I have a feeling this dude's gonna go for two. That's insane. I thought I jumped that route. Okay, that's fine. I can't believe I didn't jump that route. I thought I had it. This dude definitely takes his sweet ass time. Like, it's not that big of a fucking play. Like, you just kick off. Like, there's nothing. There's not really anything. As long as you're not onside kicking, there's nothing special about kickoffs. Okay. I mean, I'll take extra yards. Let's see, Mariota. Mariota really fucked me the last time I played Mariota. Okay, 67 just said, fuck blocking, huh? God damn, 57. Just like, ain't my job. Fuck yeah. Probably could have scored on that play if I didn't think I fucked it. Definitely think I thought I fucked that play. Oh, that's a fucking crazy play. All right, that's on me. Golly. Oh my. Really? Fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me? That was insane. I should never play Madden this late at night. Should never play this early. Early or late, but I don't know technically what this is. Just not a good time. I should just be in bed. Don't need to like ruin my blood pressure because Madden's gonna give me a heart attack. Oh, 97. Way to save. Way to save, dude. Way to save. Saved. Nice, 24. I would kick a field goal, but I don't think you're going to be able to kick a field goal. Yeah, I mean, I get that. Thank you. Big save. Big save there, bro. Big save. I appreciate you. Oh! Fuck. Let this quarter end. Fuck, man. Let this goddamn quarter end. I couldn't get it off. I just was trying to throw it to somebody. I saw X was going to be wide open, but... Fuck, dude. Falcons might just be a loss, man. Get to that first down. 3rd and inches. Your mother is not a nice person. Third and 24, yet I got 24 yards. Cool. Oh boy, Drake London. Saved. Saved me on that. Horseshoe tackle. Bullshit. Why is it so kicking so slow? I'll take it. I'll take it. I don't care. Let's go, baby. Let's go, guys. We've been playing good. Playing pretty good. There we go. I feel like Justin Jefferson's got to get involved in this. Oh! I was waiting for fucking Justin Jefferson. I was all over that route. Three people and he gets into Adam Thielen. Cool. Nice play, guys. Nice play, boys. Really? Just milking this clock, huh? All right. Gotta be on him. Gotta accept that. Gave you the one. I can't give you the second one. Damn, bro. What the fuck? Damn, bro. Why didn't we just fucking... Why even waste our time? Okay. Can we just make a damn play? Oh, that's heartbreaking. That's heartbreaking. I have a feeling this dude's just going to run the clock and kick a field goal. That is my thought process for this dude. Oh my god, 24, go for the pick. You got fucking double, you're being doubled. And you don't go for the interception, you just knock the ball away. Thank you. Man, we gotta go though. We got 36 seconds. We gotta go. Gotta go, guys. Shit, we gotta go. If we can get a field goal out of this would be impressive. I mean, maybe that's what we should go for, is a field goal. Nope, that's 27 seconds. Ooh, we got a bounce too. That is beautiful. And we got a bounce. Attaboy, Kyle Pitts. In real life, you suck ass, but in this game, you did all right. Got in there. Too much time. 15. Maybe not too much time. Nice ball placement. Why is it so slow? Alright, guys. We gotta squib the fuck out of this. Maybe not. We gotta hope he returns at the 15 seconds. 3 timeouts. That was borderline. That was borderline. Keep him in bounds. We did not. We did not keep him in bounds. I don't think you're going to be able to get a play and a timeout. No, that's it. Perfect. He doesn't seem like a toxic user, but let's play like we played toxic users before. He is not a toxic user. That is nice. Just go down. We ain't got nothing to prove, guys. We're playing our game. We don't play other people's games. We play the game that we play. And we are going to run the ball. And we're going to hope we score. But we're going to try to take as much of this time down. That's fine. 2 yards, not great. Not the best, but it's also Not the worst. Get in there. 3rd and fucking inches, bro. I hate that. I hate that. Oh, thank you, Kyle Pitts. You saved me. That was insane. That was such a bad throw by Mariota and Kyle Pitts. Just fall forward, man. 5 yards. I'll take that. I'll take that. Bro! Bro! That was such an easy pass. Oh, 4th and inches. Fuck that. Damn, Drew. I should have put a move on him. I don't like to go for it like that, but it's like, bro. We got 4th and inches. That's a big pivotal moment. Fall forward, man. 4 yards. I like that. Nose is itchy as a bitch, bro. This is a game. This is a game. If I can come out of this drive up by 2 scores, it's a very good chance I win this game. I almost didn't want to score on that drive. That guy really is pissed off because he should have got me in the backfield or at least for a couple of yards. I mean, wide open. You gotta take it. $21-7. Like wide open, bro. Look at that. How wide open. It's looking very good, guys. It's looking very good. But he does have Justin Jefferson, so I gotta make sure I shut Justin Jefferson down. If I can just give him... I need to make sure I give him... He has to have long drives. Can't let him score super quick. Like on a kickoff. Alright guys, let's play. We're playing this game pretty good. For a Falcons team that has nothing going on, we're playing pretty good. This guy takes forever to pick plays, bro. Stop him. There we go. Give you that all day, man. The rest of this game, if you want to run the ball, I will let you run the ball as much as you want. Because if you give me this ball back with 3 minutes left, it's over. It's a game. It's a game. Oh, nice drop. 19. Adam Thielen. Adam feeling the ground. That's fine. And we're going to give you those. Because that's just keeps the clock rolling. Just no big plays. That's fine. Again, all day. It's me and the clock versus you. That's fine. You're taking your sweet ass time and you don't have the time you think you do. You're down 2 scores. You're not... Thank you. And I knew you're going to Jefferson eventually, so... Yep, concede the game. Bye. Bye. Put another one on me. Peace in the Middle East, baby boys and girls.